Did you know Jesus once cursed a tree and killed it instantly? Here's why this shocking moment teaches us something powerful about faith. During Passover week, Jesus walked up to a beautiful fig tree covered in green leaves. He was hungry and looking for fruit to eat. But when he got close, he found nothing but leaves. It wasn't even fig season yet. Then Jesus did something that surprised everyone. He said to the tree, "May no one ever eat fruit from you again." Right away, the tree died and withered down to its roots. His disciples were shocked. Why would Jesus destroy a tree that couldn't help being fruitless? Jesus used this moment to teach them about real faith. The tree looked healthy and good from far away, but it had nothing useful to offer. Jesus explained that people can look religious on the outside but have no real spiritual fruit in their lives. Faith without action is dead. God expects his people to produce genuine results, not just put on a good show. Are you all leaves and no fruit?